Welcome to my new tutorial on how to install Brother DCP 1514 printer on a computer. To install this printer on a computer, you will require its driver. Download its driver from the video description below. I have given the download link there. This is the main series driver that will work with 1514 as well. This is a DCP 1510. So don't be confused, just install it, it will work. After downloading, just double click on that to execute the driver file. It will start extracting the drivers, so please wait. Now choose your preferred language and then click on OK. After that, click on Yes. Then choose the standard one and click on Next again. It is now installing the drivers, so please wait. Now it is asking to connect your printer's USB cable to the computer and make sure the printer is turned on. When you connect the printer's USB cable to the computer, this screen will detect your connection and go to the next screen automatically. There you will have to click on Next and then Finish. After that, your printer will be installed successfully. So this was the process of installing this printer on your computer. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Have a great day. Bye bye.